The first thing that I would need as an attorney for a Chapter 7 client is their pay stub so I can know what their income is, their tax return so I can see how much they made last year, their debts, of course, and their assets. And what we do is we put all that together in the required format and look to see that there aren't too many assets listed. In other words, we don't want to have a case where the client has to sell their boat or sell their car or sell some real estate, in other words, to satisfy their creditors if they don't have to. There are other parts of the bankruptcy code that can accommodate that. Chapter 7 is for people who have a tremendous amount of debt without a way to repay it, and they need to get rid of it so they can get a fresh start in life and move on. And virtually all the Chapter 7 debtors that I see going through the courts in Chattanooga keep all their property and lose most, if not all, their debts. Now, there are certain debts that are not dischargeable. Most tax debts that are 3 years old or younger, student loan debts, alimony, child support, other domestic support obligations, and some debts that are incurred within 90 days of filing the bankruptcy may not be dischargeable. But virtually everything else is. And I've seen hundreds of clients come to my office. They come in looking like they can't take another step. They leave with the weight of the world off their shoulders. It's a tremendously effective tool if you need to get back on your feet.